Did you buy new laptop or install latest Windows 11 on your PC? Here are a few essential steps that you can take to secure and optimize your new operating system. Whenever you get a new laptop or install a new operating system like Windows 11, the very first thing you need to do is enable system protection. This feature creates restore points that allow you to revert your system to a previous state if something goes wrong after installing new software or making system changes. System restore is invaluable in recovering from system errors, software conflicts, or malware attacks. By having restore points set up, you can easily roll back your system settings to a known working state, saving you time and frustration. To enable system protection and create system restore points, press Windows key, type System Restore and select Create a Restore Point. Next, select your system drive, usually C, and click on the Configure button. Under Restore Settings, select Turn on System Protection. Adjust the maximum disk space usage for system protection if needed. Click Apply and then OK to enable system protection. Now onwards, Windows automatically creates system restore points. Also, you can tap on Create to manually create system restore point. Type a name for the restore point, then click on Create. Anytime you experience problem after certain change or driver update, you can perform system restore to return system settings to previous working condition without reinstalling the operating system. The latest Windows 11 offers several privacy settings that allow you to control how your personal information is shared. And you should configure it properly to ensure that your personal data is protected and secure. This includes settings related to location tracking, camera access, microphone access, and data sharing with third-party apps. To access the privacy settings, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security. Under the General section, disable all options that include show personalized ads, relevant content, tracking app launch, and more. Under the Speech, Inking and Typing section, you can turn off speech recognition, typing history, and handwriting recognition. And toggle off the Send Optional Diagnostic Data option. In addition, also suggest to disabling all three toggles right below. It's improve inking and typing, tailored experiences, and view diagnostic data. In the Activity History section, you can choose to turn off the option to store your activity history, then click Clear History, which includes your recently opened files and websites. Under App Permission, expand Location to choose which apps and services can access your location, camera, microphone, contacts, and more. You can also toggle off any settings that you're not comfortable with. By adjusting these settings, you can ensure that your personal information remains secure and that your online activities are kept private. One of the first steps you should take after setting up a new laptop or installing Windows 11 is to install antivirus software. Antivirus software helps protect your system from viruses, malware, ransomware, and other online threats. With real-time scanning and threat detection capabilities, antivirus software provides an additional layer of security against cyber attacks. Well, you can use built-in Windows security to scan and protect Windows from malware virus infection. Well, Windows Defender is a good basic virus protection software, but you may not find everything you want if you are extremely security-focused. A third-party antivirus or anti-malware software will likely find threats that Windows Defender may miss. You can download and install antivirus your choice, such as Avira or Avast are few popular free antivirus. Also, you can visit our article, link shared on description, to find out the best antivirus for Windows 11 to protect your computer. Whatever the antivirus software you install, ensure it's updated with latest virus database to protect your system. Keeping your operating system and drivers up to date is crucial for maintaining system stability, performance, and security. After installing Windows 11, make sure to check for and install the latest updates from Microsoft. This includes both mandatory updates and optional updates, which may include new features, performance improvements, and bug fixes. Open the Settings app using Windows key +I and go to a Windows update. Click on Check for Updates and wait for Windows to search for available updates. Also tap on Advanced Options then Optional Updates to check for driver updates and additional features. Select and install any available driver updates for your hardware. Restart your system if prompted to complete the installation process. Also, it's recommended to open Microsoft Store and update all installed apps on your system as well. To do this, open Microsoft Store, click on Library then tap on Get Updates. If new app updates available, click on Update All. Additionally, ensure that all device drivers are up to date to ensure compatibility and optimal performance with your hardware. You can update drivers using Device Manager by visiting manufacturer's website or third-party driver updater tool to make the process automatic. Many new laptops come pre-installed with unnecessary software, also known as bloatware, which can clutter your system and slow down performance. Take the time to remove any bloatware or trial software that you don't need or use. This will free up valuable storage space, reduce system clutter, and improve overall system performance. You can use built-in tools or third-party software to uninstall unwanted programs easily. To remove unnecessary software, also known as bloatware, tap on Start menu then select Settings. Go to Apps then Installed Apps. From here you can review and uninstall pre-installed apps or unnecessary software from your device. Also, you can open Control Panel, then Programs and Features to locate unnecessary apps software installed on your device. Select it, then select Uninstall to remove it from your device. Windows Sandbox provides a secure and isolated environment for running untrusted applications or testing software without risking harm to your main system. By enabling Windows Sandbox, you can safely experiment with new software or visit potentially risky websites without putting your system at risk. Windows Sandbox automatically discards any changes made within the sandbox, ensuring that your main system remains unaffected. To enable Windows Sandbox feature, open Control Panel then Programs. Here under Programs and Features tap on Turn Windows Features on or off. Scroll down and check the box next to a Windows Sandbox. Click OK and then Restart Now to enable Windows Sandbox. To open Sandbox, tap on Start menu, type Sandbox and select Run as Administrator. You can now install and run any app or program inside the Sandbox. Such as you can drag and drop an executable file from your main system to the Sandbox window. Copy and paste an executable file from your main system to the Sandbox window. Download an executable file from the internet using Microsoft Edge inside the Sandbox window. Also, you can use PowerShell or command prompt inside the Sandbox window to run commands or scripts. When you are done testing or using the app or program inside the Sandbox, you can close the Sandbox window by clicking on the X button at the top right corner. The Sandbox will close and delete everything inside it, including the app, program, files, and settings. Next, perform some tweaks to optimize Windows performance. You can disable unnecessary startup programs, adjusting visual effects settings, optimizing power settings for your usage patterns, and managing background processes to minimize resource usage. These optimizations can help improve system responsiveness, reduce boot times, and enhance overall user experience. To optimize startup time, right-click on Taskbar and select Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab and disable unnecessary startup programs. Next, open Storage Sense and clear temporary system files to free up disk space and optimize Windows performance. In addition, you can configure Storage Sense to clear temporary files weekly, monthly, or when disk space is full. Also open Settings, then Accessibility, expand visual effects. Here, toggle off transparency impacts and animation effects to make Windows 11 faster. Data loss can occur due to various reasons, including hardware failure, software errors, or accidental deletion. To protect your important files and documents, it's essential to regularly back up your data. This can be done using built-in backup tools in Windows 11 or third-party backup solutions. By backing up your data regularly, you can ensure that you have copies available in case of emergencies, allowing you to restore your files quickly and easily. And finally, after setting up a new laptop or installing Windows 11, the next step is to install the web browser of your choice and your favorite apps. Whether you prefer Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Microsoft Edge, installing your preferred web browser ensures a personalized browsing experience. Additionally, install essential apps for productivity, communication, entertainment, and other tasks according to your needs and preferences. This allows you to tailor your system to suit your workflow and maximize productivity from the start. Did you find this video helpful? Share your feedback on comments below. Thanks for watching.